Greetings in the name of the Most High Yah, is King Yediah, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And I got some trades going right now. This is a live trade on AMD. Let's do a little breakdown of why I took this trade. So let's see. Let me pull out my Epic Pen. Hopefully this trade doesn't just stop me out while I'm doing this. Hold on. Alright, got the Epic Pen going. Alright, cool. So we had S3 yesterday at 90s, 6.7. Then now we have S3 today at 93.93. So we have a higher value day. And price is now, that's the Camarilla levels, and price is now, it's now rejecting that that thesis that we're supposed to move higher because it's a higher value day, so it's supposed to move higher, right? But since the pre-market we had this this rejection of like S3, we opened below S3, so that's really weak. So I took this short here at the break of S4. You see, this is the second 5-minute candle, so I'm sticking to the rules in this trade, and this is my Papa Bear strategy, where we well, it's a B plus setup, but we're opening below S3. So any retest of S3, I was probably supposed to short around this area right here. This area right here, the break of this upper VWAP line, this red line right here, that's my resistance line. That you see how we're testing that right there. That's why I went short too, but we'll get to that. And I just got stopped out right here. But yeah, so I went short here. And what price was that? Let me see. Went short at 92.22, added to the position at 91.91, covered some of the position. That same, it's like a break even because we had this pop up right here. So I didn't take that risk. So we popped up right here. You see that wick right there. So we popped up. I closed out that position that I added. And then I went short again at let's see, what's that? That's 91.60. And then I covered all here at this retest right here. You see we bounced up, and I stuck to my rules, right? So I stuck to my rules. We closed above this VWAP. Well, we didn't close, but we moved above this lower VWAP line right here, this green line. You see that's a support line right here, right? And then I closed out my position right at S5, which is 91.39. So right here at the break, at the test of this candle open, that's where I closed out. So that's part of my rules. If we break above this lower VWAP line right here and we test the open of this candle, I'm closing out. So I closed out there. I was a little disappointed because it moved down a little lower, so I was just patient. I sat, I watched it, I waited for the reversal. I was saying in BBT chat room that, you know, I'm waiting for the reversal around 91 and stuff like that. So we got the push up above VWAP, right, off of this consolidation right here. You know, this accumulation right here. Then we pushed up, broke above VWAP. We had some weak rejections at VWAP, so I'm taking note of that, right? We had some weak rejections right there. And then all of this here, this is my bread and butter right here. All these weak rejections right here at upper VWAP line is just indicating like, yeah, I'm gonna take this short. It's gonna reverse, right? So we had this candle right here. Let's see. This is like a shooting star candle. I love these candles, man. Yeah, and we had two back to back, right? So I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna enter short right here, right? So went short. What was that? What was that? What was that? I think it was 91.26 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 91.26 was the first one. Added to the position again at 91.20. And then when we pull back, because I set my stop at it was 91.95, but then I moved it up to 92.12, I think it was, or somewhere around here. But 92, it was like 91 or 92 exactly, right? So when my stop was up here, it didn't get triggered. We tested that because I'm expecting we're gonna get some tests, right? Because we bounced off a VWAP right here. Let's see. So VWAP is that white line right here. So we bounced off a VWAP, right? So I'm waiting for the rejection here. We got that rejection. So I added short right here. Let's see, what was that? 91.56. So ended up with a big share size. Came and took let's see, came down here and covered 50% at 90.96, the break of VWAP. And then we had this kind of, you know, doji candle right here. So that's signifying that, you know, we absorbing some of the selling. So I just set my stop right here for the next 50% at 91.17, and we got stopped out. And now we're probably pushing back down lower. My original target is 89, so maybe we might get that today. I don't know. I don't know what it's gonna do right now, because you see the VPOC is at 89.92. That's where we had this accumulation right here. So see right here, all this is just support, lower VWAP, VPOC, you know what I mean? This is a double support zone right here. So maybe it's just gonna move sideways for the rest of the day, you know. But I'm out, man. I made a nice little profit today, so it's all good. It's all good. I'm gonna do a little trade journal later. This is just like a quick recap and stuff. Maybe I could go in depth of you know, go in depth of what I could have done better, or you know, stuff like that. You know, I mean, we always trying to improve as traders, so that's the plan, man. Today I'm proud of this trade here. I was a little disappointed that it moved down on me, but I'm proud that I stuck to my strategy and closed out right here. Alright, y'all, it's your boy King Yedea, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets, and y'all trade safe and stay blessed.